Hello, this is Chapter 7, Lesson 8. We're talking about ordered pairs today. I just wanted to include a little diagram here. And so I would like you to copy this into your notes, how the line that's going up and down, this one right here, is called the y-axis. The line that goes left to right is called the x-axis. We're talking about the point where they intersect right here is the origin. And that ordered pair would be 0, 0. Okay, then we have our quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're just written in Roman numerals, so if you want to write them normal letters so that you know what we're talking about, would be fine too. But today we're going to work on graphing, so let's get started. Okay, so here we have a coordinate plane, and it's formed when two perpendicular number lines intersect. Remember, perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect at 90 degrees. Okay, so all of these angles here make 90-degree angles. Okay, that's perpendicular lines. Okay. One number line has numbers going along the horizontal axis, the x-axis right here, horizontal. Goes both ways. It goes on forever because they're lines, not line segments. And the other has numbers going along the vertical axis, so it's up and down. And that's called the y-axis, where they meet origin. Boop, right there. Okay, next page. Name the point for the ordered pair 2, 3. Okay, so 2 tells me how I'm moving along the x-axis, and 3 tells me how I'm moving along the y-axis. Okay, so I remember that because when I'm doing the alphabet, x becomes before y. So when I'm doing my ordered pair, x comes before y. Okay, so let's give that a shot. We always start at the origin. That is always our starting place, right at the intersecting point of the x and y axis. Okay, so it says move along the x-axis, so that's left and right, 2 spots. 1, 2. And then move along the y-axis, up and down. So y-axis tells us up and down. X-axis tells us left and right. So I'm going to move up 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, remember, we're traveling along the lines. The lines are like the little roads that we drive on. Okay, so we have to travel along the lines, and each intersection we pass counts as one kind of space that we moved. So start at the origin, 0, 0. That's the origin, because we haven't moved anywhere. We're at 0. Move right along the x-axis until you reach 2, which is the x-coordinate, 2. Move up until you reach 3, the y-coordinate. So point D, right, this one right here, it's named D, is named by the ordered pair 2, 3. So first we always start at the origin, move left and right, and then we move up and down with our second coordinate. So let's try another one. Use the graph for exercises 1 and 2. Locate and name the ordered pair for point A. So at point A, if I start at 0, I'm going to move right 1, 2 spots. So the x-coordinate is 2. So after I move 2, I'm moving up 1. So the y-coordinate is 1. So that means point A is named by the ordered pair 2, 1. Okay, next, number 2. So we need to locate and name the point at 4, that's left and right. If it's positive, we go right. If it's negative, we go left. Okay, and then 3, again, if it's positive, we go up. Negative, we go down. Okay, so I'm going to move left or right 4, 2, 3, 4. And I have to move up 3, 1, 2, 3. So what point did I end at? Oh, move 4 units to the right, 3 units up. So point B is named by the ordered pair 4, 3. So now this says, are the points at 3, 8 and 8, 3 in the same location? Well, let's test it out. So if I'm going to do point 3, or 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, and then I have to go up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one would be right here. This would be point 3, 8. Okay, it's a little crazy looking 3. And then if I do 8, 3, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then up 3. 1, 2, 3. So this point right here is 8, 3. Are they the same point? No, because this one we're moving right 3, this one we're moving right 8. This one we're moving up 8, this one we're moving up 3. Not going to get me to the same location. So they are not like the commutative property. We can't switch them around. It's very important. We are very, very succinct with our information. So that's all I have for you today. I'm excited to practice because this is really fun stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.